Hello folks, look what I got today in the post. Yes, the Masters of the Universe Thundercat we have one. 3 figures and a deluxe figure. Let's get a quick look at these. It's a nice looking lino. CHEETARA. I will be opening these, so stay tuned. There's Battlecat Man. That's a great idea for a figure. That would make a nice Masterverse figure. And SKELL-RA. Let's get a look at the boxes before I open them. This line, all these Motu figures have beautiful art. Look at that. That's great. It's really nice. Let's get a back look at these. Just turn these around. Right, let's get a look. Again, this is beautiful art. Looks like we're going to be getting a new Trapjaw. So yeah, I'd rather get a Beastman. But I'd rather get new characters, new Thundercat characters like Vulture Man or Jackal Man or Bengali or, actual Thundercats instead of more characters. We have loads of figures. That's beautiful boxes. That's great art. Right, I'll pause this video now just to get these out of their boxes. There's no point watching me doing that. It's boring. Right, I'll pause this now and I'll get these open. Quick wee look at them in their blisters so we can see them a bit better. That's the way they're packed. Right, get them out of the blisters now and posed. Here we go. Okay, here's them out of their boxes. That's cool. God, these are really nice figures. There's the other swappable parts. We'll swap them. See what they look like. Although, yeah, Battlecat. Oh, Battlecat Man. Yes. Oh, I have to take a break. Right, there's a fight going on here. I have to sort this out. Okay, they're sorted. What I was going to say is Battlecat Man, he doesn't come with any other parts apart from those 2 cool claws. Yeah, so there's SKELL-RA. That looks cool. Look at all these parts. We will turn them. Don't worry. We will do all the swapping the parts. Yeah. I know a lot of people are saying this cape thing is wings, but no, it's a cape to me. Because I don't remember SKELL-RA having wings. Right, look at this. This is really cool. Nice figures. I didn't think I'd like this new update armoured, but I actually do. They go well together, these 2 figures. I do like the Masters of the Universe influence. You know what I mean? Really, really nice figures. Right, I think I'll swap the parts and give them hopefully their original look. See how close they are. Right, stay tuned, folks. Okay, these are actually amazing. You can get pretty much your classic look there with the glove it plugs in at the side there. Look at that. Just look. This is real nostalgia for me because I this is the first Lion-O figure I've had since I was a kid back in the 80s, showing my age. Same with CHEETARA. I mean, it's pretty much our classic look. There's the spare parts. This guy's cool. Battle Cat Man. Yeah, his helmet's removable, as you can see. And Mum-Ra is like, it's just like, this is a great Mum-Ra figure. This really is. Just look at this. So I'm hoping this look helps you out if you wanna, if you're on the fence. I think I'm all in on this. I mean, this is just like, it's real nostalgia for me here today. As I said, it must be 40 years since I've had some Thundercats figures. They're always a bit expensive for me. That Mum-Ra, as you can see, it's a lot taller. CHEETARA is the shortest, of course. And Battle Cat Man and Lion-O are pretty much the same height. Just giving you a wee look here, different angles. Yeah. Hope this video has helped you. Get a wee look at them. I don't do posability and all. We all know how figures move, I think. But wow. Armour on or armour off, these look cool. Like, look at that. Next wave I'm looking forward to too. It's got, who has it got? Tigram, Panthro and He-Man. That's going to be good. Oh, I do like these folks. Hope this video has helped. It just helped us get a wee look at them. You can make up your own mind if you are going to purchase. Yeah, I'll get wave 2 as well. Let's get a wee look at these. Sorry about the fruit basket. I should have moved that. But here, there we go, folks. Well, the only problem I had with them, I have to be honest, is some joints are very loose. And I did have the wet, you know, their feet, their boots in warm water just to pop them on and off. But apart from that, yeah, I'll be playing with them anyway. They'll go on a shelf and that'll be it. So there you go, folks. One last look and I'll let you go. Okay, thank you for watching. And come here, folks, all the best to you. Good luck.